This one simple morning habit could be the secret weapon you're missing against the one thing that truly steals your independence: age-related muscle loss. Stop scrolling for a moment, because what you're about to discover isn't a complex new exercise routine or an expensive prescription, but a straightforward, scientifically backed addition to the cup of coffee you already drink every single day. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a clear path to rebuilding the strength and vitality you thought was gone forever. For the next few minutes, you need to stay with me, because missing this information could mean missing your chance to regain true physical freedom. I'm Dr. Williams, and my motivation for sharing this is a patient named Margaret, a truly remarkable 68-year-old woman who walked into my clinic 3 months ago utterly defeated. Margaret's frustration was palpable. She was exhausted, terrified of relying on her children, and could barely manage the simple task of carrying her groceries from the car. She had tried everything the wellness world suggested: special diets, a cabinet full of supplements, and various exercise programs, but nothing had worked to reverse her decline. When I asked her the single, simplest question, "What's the first thing you do every morning?" her answer, "I drink my coffee," was the moment everything clicked into place. I introduced Margaret to a combination of 8 specific science-backed ingredients designed to transform her daily brew into a muscle-protecting, strength-building ritual. Today, Margaret walks 3 miles a day, handles her own life, and has recovered her precious independence. By the time this video ends, you will know the exact 8 ingredients that made this transformation possible. Before we dive into the countdown, do me a favor and take a moment to engage with our community. Drop a comment below and let me know your location so I can see where our viewers are watching from around the world. And if you're serious about taking control of your health and want more science-backed strategies like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for Health Bloom Guide. You truly won't want to miss the life-changing information coming next. Now, let's talk about the cold, uncomfortable truth of what happens to our bodies as the decades pass. After the age of 30, the loss of muscle mass begins silently and steadily at a rate of about 3 to 5% every decade. By the time you reach 60, you may have already lost up to 15% of your total strength, setting the stage for a progressive, debilitating condition known as sarcopenia. This isn't just about feeling a little weaker. Sarcopenia is a dangerous, silent killer of mobility and quality of life. It dramatically increases your risk of catastrophic falls, subsequent fractures, and ultimately the loss of your independence. Moreover, it impacts your metabolism, compromises your balance, and erodes your confidence. The good news, the really important news, is that this decline is not inevitable. Your body retains the remarkable capacity to build and maintain muscle at any age, provided it receives the right fuel, the correct nutrients, and a strategic delivery system. And that, my friends, is exactly where your morning coffee comes in. Not just any ordinary cup, but a scientifically enhanced coffee specifically formulated to target muscle health, recovery, and inflammation. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through these 8 essential ingredients, counting down from number 8 to number 1. Each ingredient plays a unique and crucial role. Some are metabolic supporters, some fuel recovery, and others are absolute game changers for older adults focused on maintaining independence. Let's start the countdown with a metabolic powerhouse. Number 8, cinnamon. This common spice is far more than a simple flavor enhancer. It's a critical tool for metabolic stability. Cinnamon helps to balance your blood sugar levels, a function that is absolutely critical for maintaining steady energy and preventing the strength-draining spikes and crashes that compromise performance throughout your day. Research suggests that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 29%, meaning your cells become more efficient at utilizing glucose for immediate energy rather than storing it as fat. For seniors, this translates directly to more stable energy and a significant reduction in chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body, inflammation being a silent destructor of muscle tissue. While a half teaspoon of cinnamon won't give you massive muscles overnight, it creates the essential metabolic environment required for muscle maintenance and long-term health. A pro tip for maximum benefit: use Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, as it contains lower levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large doses. This is one small, easy change that yields major results. Moving on, we come to the infrastructure enhancer. Number 7, cocoa powder. I'm talking about the pure, unsweetened kind, rich in flavonoids and powerful antioxidants, not a sugary hot chocolate mix. Cocoa contains compounds called flavonols that are scientifically proven to improve blood flow, specifically to your muscles. Better circulation means a more efficient delivery system, ensuring that more oxygen and vital nutrients reach your muscle tissue exactly when they're needed. This enhanced delivery system supports faster recovery following any physical activity and helps to mitigate muscle soreness. Think of cocoa flavonols as the logistics crew for your muscles, enhancing endurance and reducing oxidative stress, which studies show is a major benefit for older adults' exercise performance. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder added to your coffee not only creates a delicious natural mocha flavor, but also gives a substantial boost to your entire cardiovascular system, supporting the infrastructure upon which strong muscles rely. The next ingredient provides a clean, immediate energy source. Number 6, coconut oil, or MCTs. We are specifically focusing on the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil, a unique type of fat that your body processes entirely differently than other dietary fats. This difference is paramount for seniors seeking sustained vitality. MCTs bypass the normal digestive process and are sent directly to the liver, where they are rapidly converted into ketones, which act as an immediate and efficient energy source for both your brain and your muscles. For older adults, MCTs offer a clean, quick energy boost without the sharp blood sugar spike often caused by carbohydrates. This sustained energy is vital because it helps you stay active and engaged throughout the day, a non-negotiable requirement for maintaining muscle mass. Remember, muscles that are unused are muscles that begin to atrophy. Start with just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or pure MCT oil in your coffee. It gives the brew a satisfyingly creamy texture and can provide hours of steady, clean energy. While MCTs won't stop muscle loss on their own, they are an invaluable tool for providing the energy necessary to use your muscles and keep them from wasting away. Now that we're halfway through this countdown, I want to pause. If you are still here, it tells me you are genuinely serious about your health and your independence. You aren't looking for fleeting fads, but real, science-backed solutions. The next 4 ingredients are where the real muscle building and protection magic happens. They are not just supportive, but truly essential. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the time. Hit that button, because what I'm about to share could genuinely transform your strength and physical freedom in the next 8 minutes. Let's talk about the foundational building blocks, starting with number 5. Milk or a protein-rich creamer. This may seem basic, but it is absolutely foundational to senior health. Milk provides 2 critical, non-negotiable nutrients, calcium and protein. Your bones and muscles function together as a single interdependent system. Weak bones lead to poor stability, which in turn causes less activity, which inevitably results in further muscle loss, a relentless and vicious cycle. Calcium ensures your bones remain dense and strong, while the protein supplies essential amino acids for immediate muscle repair and synthesis. Even a simple quarter cup of milk adds valuable protein to your morning, but if you are lactose intolerant, choose a fortified high-protein alternative like oat or almond milk. Just be sure to check the label, as some plant-based options contain almost no protein. Protein and calcium are the raw building blocks of senior health. Without them, every other supplement you take is working at half capacity. Next, we move to the glue that holds the system together. Number 4, collagen powder. Collagen is a hot topic lately, and for good reason. It is the most abundant protein in your entire body, forming the structure that binds your joints, tendons, skin, and muscles. After the age of 40, your body's natural collagen production begins to drop by about 1% every year, accumulating to a significant 20% loss by age 60. This widespread decline results in common issues like joint pain, stiffness, and weaker connective tissue, which prevents your muscles from functioning at their full capacity. Research convincingly shows that collagen supplementation can reduce joint pain in just a few weeks. But here's the surprising benefit. When combined with regular resistance exercise, collagen also supports measurable muscle mass gains in older adults. While it's not as powerful for muscle growth as the next ingredient, it offers unique and critical benefits for structural integrity. Look for a hydrolyzed collagen powder, as it is flavorless and dissolves effortlessly in both hot and cold liquids. Adding a single scoop, about 10 to 15 grams, to your morning coffee will keep your joints lubricated and flexible, which in turn allows your muscles to move more freely and effectively. Now, we arrive at the top 3, where serious, impactful muscle protection begins. Prepare for the single most effective intervention against age-related decline. Number 3, whey protein. I want to be absolutely clear. If you only choose one ingredient from this entire list, it should be this one. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Crucially, it is exceptionally rich in leucine, the powerful amino acid that acts as the ignition key, specifically triggering the mechanism of muscle protein synthesis. Research consistently demonstrates that older adults who consume 20 to 30 grams of high-quality whey protein daily, particularly following exercise, can significantly slow or even reverse the progression of sarcopenia. We are talking about genuine, measurable increases in muscle strength, mass, and physical function. To use this effectively, blend 1 scoop 20 to 25 grams into your coffee. If you exercise in the morning, drink this immediately after your workout. If not, make sure it's part of your breakfast to kickstart your day with a sufficient protein load. Choose an unflavored or vanilla whey to ensure it blends seamlessly with your coffee's taste. This one addition has the power to be the ultimate difference maker between maintaining full independence and succumbing to frailty in your later years. Following this powerhouse is the hidden protector. Number 2, turmeric, curcumin. We are targeting curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which has been hailed as nature's most potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is the true hidden enemy of muscle health. Chronic inflammation systematically breaks down muscle tissue faster than your body can repair it, leading to joint pain, reduced mobility, and accelerated aging. Curcumin attacks this problem at the cellular level, blocking key inflammatory pathways. Studies have shown that curcumin can dramatically reduce muscle soreness after activity and significantly improve joint mobility in individuals suffering from arthritis. For seniors, this translates directly to less pain and therefore more essential movement, which is the only way to maintain muscle. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your coffee, but here is the critical secret you cannot ignore. You must also add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by an astonishing 2000%. Without it, most of the benefit simply passes through your system. Add a touch of your MCT oil too, since curcumin is fat-soluble. This simple golden coffee is an inflammation-fighting champion. Finally, we arrive at the foundation upon which all of this strength is built. Number 1, black coffee itself. None of the preceding 7 ingredients matter without a high-quality base, and coffee on its own provides incredible benefits for muscle health and longevity. Coffee is a powerhouse of antioxidants, often containing more than most fruits and vegetables combined. These antioxidants are essential for fighting oxidative stress, which damages muscle cells and accelerates the aging process. Furthermore, coffee is a proven performance enhancer, improving exercise performance by 11 to 12% and helping you train harder and maintain the muscle you're working to build. Moderate consumption, 2 to 4 cups daily, has been scientifically linked to a reduced risk of various age-related diseases, including type 2 diabetes and even Alzheimer's. It boosts your metabolism, sharpens your focus, and encourages activity. However, a crucial word of caution: too much caffeine, especially on an empty stomach, can spike cortisol, a stress hormone that unfortunately breaks down muscle tissue. So, always drink your enhanced coffee with food, maintain your hydration throughout the day, and do not exceed 400 milliliters of caffeine daily. about 4 regular cups. Black coffee is your unshakable foundation. Everything we've added, cinnamon, cocoa, MCT oil, milk, collagen, whey protein, and turmeric, is strategically layered on this base to create the ultimate comprehensive, muscle-protecting, strength-building morning ritual. So, there you have it. 8 simple ingredients that can transform the beverage you already enjoy into a powerhouse of health and vitality. You don't need to try all 8 tomorrow. Start simply. Begin with your black coffee enhanced with whey protein and turmeric. Add collagen for your joints and then build your perfect personalized formula. Remember Margaret? She started with just 3 of these ingredients, and within 3 months, her measurable strength returned, her confidence was fully restored, and her independence was won back. That success story could easily be yours too. If this video has provided value to you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Health Bloom Guide for more science-backed strategies that put you back in charge of your body. Finally, comment below and tell me which ingredient you are absolutely committed to adding to your coffee tomorrow morning. I read every single comment. Your strength matters, your independence matters, and sometimes the entire journey starts with something as simple as what you choose to add to your morning coffee. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.